Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Simulations Club. This video introduces a simple but conceptually important electrical simulation. The simulation deals with two DC batteries connected in parallel and supplying a resistive load. The objective is to understand how theoretical assumptions affect circuit modeling and why practical considerations are necessary before performing simulations. This video focuses on the physical idea, basic theory and analytical reasoning. The actual simscape model and validation will be discussed in subsequent video. Consider two batteries, this is connected in parallel to supply a resistive load. One battery has a nominal voltage of 12 volt and the other has a nominal voltage of 9 volts. The load resistance is connected across the parallel combination of two sources. Physically, such a connection appears simple and may look acceptable at first glance. However, careful electrical analysis is required before accepting this configuration as valid. If both batteries are modeled as ideal voltage source having zero internal resistance, a contradiction arises. Writing circuit equation for this configuration leads to inconsistent result. This inconsistency indicates that the circuit as assumed is not physically realizable. The mistake lies in treating practical batteries as an ideal voltage source. In reality, no battery can be represented as an ideal source without internal impedance. To make the circuit physically meaningful, internal resistance must be included for each battery. The 12 volt battery is assumed to have a small internal resistance and 9 volt battery has a relatively larger internal resistance. After including these internal resistances, the circuit equation becomes consistent and solvable. The revised model correctly represents the practical battery behavior. This step highlights the importance of modeling assumptions in circuit analysis and simulation. With a physically realizable circuit now defined, simulation can be performed using simscape. The simulation model includes voltage source, internal resistance and the load resistance. The purpose of simulation is to verify the analytical results and observe current sharing between the sources. This concludes the theoretical and conceptual discussion required before simulation. The next will explain the simscape model and its subsystem in details. Thank you.